Modern warfare has made one thing clear: you can never have too many drones. Their low cost, flexibility, and effectiveness make them an essential tool in combat. But traditional military procurement, sluggish, expensive, and bureaucratic, can't keep up with battlefield demands. In response, the U.S. Army is testing a game-changing solution: 3D printing drones directly within combat units. This new initiative, inspired by Ukraine's battlefield innovations, aims to create fixed-wing UAVs equipped with radio reconnaissance gear, capable of detecting and locating radio signals from cell phones, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, radios, and radars. These drones play a crucial role in electronic warfare and enemy tracking. Using CAD files and 3D printers, soldiers can produce key drone components, like fuselages, wings, and tails, on site. Once printed, they add motors, batteries, sensors, antennas, and navigation systems. The design can be quickly customized for specific missions, whether it's boosting flight range or simplifying the build for a one-way mission. The cost benefits are huge. A ready-made drone with similar capabilities might cost $28,000. But a 3D printed version built in the field? Just $2,000 to $3,000, and with no need to wait for suppliers or contractors. Even with restrictions on Chinese-made electronics, the Army has found ways to source and assemble all necessary components legally and safely. Over time, this could evolve into a standardized, in-house supply chain with certified parts libraries for rapid assembly. Perhaps even more important than cost is speed. Being able to print a drone where and when it's needed cuts down wait times and allows frontline teams to adapt designs in real time alongside engineers. The Ukraine war was the wake-up call. Their forces regularly build or modify drones in the field to meet urgent tactical needs. The U.S. military is now studying and adapting these methods, aiming to combine battlefield agility with American standards for safety and consistency. This experiment could mark the beginning of a new era in how armies equip themselves: fast, flexible, and ready for whatever comes next.